Hey, y'all, it's Ed with Solomon's Landscape. We're beginning of October. I know it's still early, but hey, I'm wearing my jacket. So it's that time of year. It's that time for Christmas lights. That's right, Christmas lights. The reason I was doing this video today is I just got off the phone with a prospect. They were saying that they were able to find another vendor that can do it for an unbelievably low price. It was like $900 to do the house. Where we're probably going to be somewhere in the $1,500 to $2,000 range. I told her, I was like, you know what? That's an awesome deal. That is a really awesome deal. I'd be all over that in a heartbeat. However, I did offer a word of warning, a word of caution. Do they have the proper insurance? Do they have workers' compensation to cover that in case somebody falls off? Do they have liability insurance? The reason I say that is, let's say, for example, somebody was up on the roof and the workers did fall down off the roof. They don't have the insurance. Well, now you're stuck with the homeowners and your personal homeowners insurance. It's going to go on your insurance, and you have to fight with your insurance company to cover that. I've also heard of secondhand stories years ago where improperly installed Christmas lights actually burnt a portion, or burnt down a portion of somebody's home. So if the contractor doesn't have proper insurance, your personal homeowner's insurance is on the hook. And trying to have that fight at Christmas time, not the best fight. I know it's going to be an unfortunate and uncomfortable situation, even if someone does have the insurance, or if a reputable company does have the insurance. It'd still be an uncomfortable conversation. At least you don't have to go through your homeowner's insurance and fight that way. So I just urge you to just be careful. Just a word of warning, word of caution. You know, if a deal sounds too good to be true, it may be because it's too good to be true. So just a FYI, keep your head up. You know, if you wanted to find out if they have the insurance, you can ask the question, hey, are you covered? Do you have workers' compensation? Do you have a liability insurance? Most reputable companies will have that. All reputable companies will have that. The other thing is, just because they say that, also you can ask for a certificate of insurance, or a COI as we call it in the industry, and they should be able to provide you that. If they don't, then obviously they don't have the insurance, or they're trying to hide something. So just a word of warning on that. If you're really like it, sounds really good, again, just be cautious. Do your due diligence. Ask for that COI, because I'd hate for the most unfortunate thing to happen be even worse, because now you have to fight with your homeowner's insurance because the company that's offering that is too good of a deal, and they're not being covered. So take care. I know that was long-winded. Thanks. Have a great day.